The Properties feature is used to show visitors to your site each property available along with some details about each property. Each property is shown, including an image of that property if one was uploaded, some of the features of that property, and optional contact information. To edit your properties, click the Edit button in the Properties section as shown here. The Properties area will appear. Each current property will be listed and will be ordered by the defined sort order. You can move properties up or down by using the gray up and down buttons shown here. If you need to add a new property, click the Add a New Property button. The property name is the main heading that site visitors will see for this property. It will be shown above the rest of the property information. The brief description appears just below the property name and is intended to give your site visitor an idea about the property. The property narrative is where you can fully describe the property. As with other areas, you can set some text to bold or italics, you can indent paragraphs, and you can add bulleted lists. The sort order controls where this site appears on your list. The lowest sort positions will appear at the top of your properties page. As mentioned earlier, you can also move the sort positions of properties up or down through the main property list. You can optionally add a contact name and contact email for the property. If an email is supplied, visitors to your site will be able to email that staff member. To add features for this property, enter them on individual lines in the feature list entry. These will appear in list format in the Properties section. It's always helpful to include a photograph of your property for your site visitors. You can click the Choose File button to select an image from your computer. When you save the property, this image will be uploaded to your website. Here is an example of a new property with all of the information filled in. Once you have completed the entry of your new property, click the Add Property button to add this property to your list. The new property will appear in your property list. If you need to make changes to any property, click the blue Edit button. The information for that property will be shown. Click the blue Update button to save any changes that you may have made. If you need to delete a property, click the red Delete button as shown here. The information for that property will be shown. This is to make sure you are deleting the correct property. Click Delete Property to delete this property. In this video, we have seen how the Properties section of your website will appear to your site visitors. We have seen how you can add a new property and how to edit an existing property. We have also seen how you can delete or remove a property from your website. Thanks for watching.